wondering how else you can release your negative emotions and welcome the emotions you desire? Well, today I am talking about exactly that. Releasing those negative emotions and welcoming positive emotions that you desire by using a fun and different technique. So continue watching. Hi Bright Light, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time tuning in, welcome. I am so grateful for all the views and subscribers who are tuning in and learning and growing and allowing me the privilege to help guide you in your self-development journey. And before we begin, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bells so every single Wednesday and Friday when I upload new videos, you will be the first to know. And feel free to share these videos to spread the knowledge and so we can continue to grow our community. My name is Brie Moscara and I am a Law of Attraction mindset coach. On this channel, you will find everything about wellness, self-development, law of attraction, and manifesting. So we know traditionally we can release our negative emotions and unhelpful thoughts through meditating and even journaling. But if you're ready to try something different and try something fun, let's talk some more about how to use bay leaves to release your negative emotions and welcome the emotions you desire. Using bay leaves in this way is something new that I have begun doing, but I have noticed the benefits immediately, which is why I feel called to share this process with you. When you think of bay leaves, you think about adding some flavor to your meal, but that is not what we're doing today. Bay leaves is a powerful herb that, historically, a part of ancient Greece, is sacred to Apollo, and he is even represented wearing this bay leaf. In addition, in the Pythagorean games, winners would be given a bay leaf crown to honor Apollo. However, Ovid's Metamorphoses describes this legend of bay leaves a little bit differently. It is believed that Apollo loved a nymph named Daphne, and he was very obsessed over her. He followed her everywhere, and she, of course, continued to deny him until one day she called out to her dad, who was a river god, and turned her into a bay tree, so Apollo could no longer continue to seek her. Regretful and a little bit embarrassed of his actions, Apollo then decided to wear a bay leaf crown to remind him of the negative emotions and actions that he was displaying just to seek Daphne's love and attention, and to encourage more honor and valor. So with this story, it's one of the first examples of banishing negativity. Okay, so let's talk about the fun stuff. What do you need in order to start this process of burning bay leaves? Also, a disclaimer, since we are talking about burning bay leaves and using fire, you want to make sure that you are practicing this safely, so you're not around anything that is flammable and that you are using a fireproof bowl. So you need bay leaves, a tweezer, a lighter, and your fireproof bowl or plate. So once you have your materials all prepared, you want to think about, what is the emotion that I wish to let go of? Close your eyes and take a few minutes to reflect on what you've been feeling lately. What have you been experiencing that has been keeping you down in this vibrational low state? So I will give you a few minutes to do that. Now that you have finished reflecting on the emotions that you wish to let go of, that no longer serve you, you want to write this emotion down on your bay leaf. So you can use a pen or you can even use a marker. You can write the full sentence of I am releasing, I am letting go of, and the emotion. Or you can simply just write the emotion. Once you have done that, you will go somewhere safe to burn this bay leaf. I usually do it in the kitchen. I will stand in front of the sink and I will hold the bay leaf close to me, close to my heart, and I will reflect on this emotion and how it no longer serves me. And I will think about why I'm even releasing this emotion. Why doesn't it no longer serve me? And when you're reflecting on these thoughts, you want to make sure that you are present and you are focused in the intention that you are setting of releasing this emotion, so you can truly experience the benefits of this. I will usually take deep breaths in and out to allow me to remain present and calm as well, because even though we are thinking about this emotion and why it no longer serves us, we don't want to feel triggered by this emotion. And also take your time with this process on reflecting on why you are releasing this and why it no longer serves you. You don't want to rush this process. So once you are ready, you are going to grab your bay leaf with a tweezer, because the goal is to burn all of it. And of course, you don't want to burn your fingers, so this is why we use the tweezer to help us. As the leaf is burning, you are going to see smoke. And when you look at this smoke, you want to think about the emotion literally leaving. It's burning. It is going up into the air and out of your body. So when I look at the smoke, I think about the fact that I am releasing, and I will literally say, release, release, release. And I will continue to say release as I watch the smoke. And also, if you're able to identify where exactly this emotion is being stored within your body, focus on that area. Because by locating this area within yourself, you are also being intentional and you are being specific with these intentions of releasing and letting go. And as the leaf burns, I watch the leaf fall into the sink. And once I am done with this process, I will then turn on the water and allow the leaf to go down the drain, because water is another powerful element. So when I see the water taking away the bay leaf, it reinforces the fact that this emotion is gone. This emotion is leaving my home, my mind, my body. And by the end of this process, I always feel a sense of lightness, a sense of peace, and it is truly empowering how this technique can shift your mood and how you can actually feel yourself release. So now that I am feeling calm and I am feeling peaceful and I'm experiencing that inner peace, I now will think about what are the emotions that I am welcoming. Because if you think about it, now that you've released the negative emotion, you have a hole within. You have some space to bring in, to attract the emotions that you do desire. So now I will give you another few minutes to think about what is the emotion that you want to feel. Is it confidence? Is it happiness? Is it security? As you begin to identify the positive emotions you do desire, you will also write them on your bay leaf. Now that you have identified the emotions you desire and you have written them on your bay leaf, you also want to hold them close to your heart. And you want to visualize yourself experiencing this emotion. And what does that look like? What activities are you participating in that promotes this emotion? What will these positive emotions bring into your life? What are the benefits? What are the values? You want to reflect on that, and you want to visualize it happening in your mind as you hold on to the bay leaf, taking deep breaths in and out. And once you have done that, you're going to do the same thing where you grab your tweezer, you hold the bay leaf, and you burn the whole entire bay leaf as well. But this time, rather than allowing it to fall into the sink or wherever you burned and released your old emotions, you want to let the bay leaf burn onto your fireproof bowl or plate. And as it burns, you want to feel that emotion. This step is an intentional action that you are taking to reprogram your subconscious to promote the emotions and thoughts that you do desire. So you want to feel it. If you have an altar, you can definitely keep your plate with your burned bay leaf of the emotions that you desire on your altar or anywhere that you can visually see it. So as you can see, this is the bay leaf that I burned today, and I keep it here on my altar next to a stone that says gratitude, and also next to this beautiful, beautiful plant. Because when we are self-reflecting and thinking about the emotions we desire, being a part of nature provides us with the clarity that we need. Plants is a source of energy and power. So I leave my bay leaf next to my plant in order to strengthen the emotion that I am attracting into my life, in addition to giving thanks for the emotion that I will be experiencing as well, and appreciating my ability to open myself to this emotion that I desire. You can keep the bay leaf for a day, for a week, for however long you want to experience that emotion that you are intentionally attracting into your life. Some additional reasons why bay leaves are so powerful is that for ages it was used a part of natural medicine because it has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, which is why it is also sacred among the South American indigenous culture. It is believed to cleanse the body, your surroundings, to protect you, and also to help you with your manifestations and for more prosperity. For medical healing, bay leaves improves heart health, boosts immunity, and even reduces anxiety. By simply smelling the bay leaf for about 10 minutes, you instantly feel better. I'm super excited for you to try this technique, and let me know how it goes for you in the comments below, or you can email me, or you can chat with me on my Instagram at Be Bold, Be Fierce, Be You. Like I said, this is a recent technique that I have begun to practice and to incorporate into my daily routine, and I absolutely love it. So I recommend and I suggest that you try this to release your emotions and to welcome the emotions you do desire. I will talk to you some more next week on Wednesday. Let's spread the knowledge learned today and share this video.